morning, traders, and welcome back. Today's daily reminder is simple, and it is just this, guys. The chief cause of failure and unhappiness is trading what you want most for what you want right now. And what does this mean, guys? It means that you are looking for that home run when it comes to trading. You're looking for a quick fix instead of focusing on the goal and the plan and sticking to a steady, consistent flow of winners as opposed to trying to hit home runs every single day, trading every day when you don't need to. It's basically going for that which you want right now and not focusing on the long-term effect of what you're doing. Second and third consequences as opposed to what you're doing right now. So let's get it, guys. Focus on the plan, stick to it, get that money. Let's go.
More money, more money!